What's up guys, it's your girl Romana. Welcome back to my channel. I went on a little Sephora haul and I figured I'd test out some of those products. I had no idea what kind of look I was gonna go for, but let's see where that takes me. Okay, so first I'm testing out the Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation in 2W0. Applying it with the foundation brush and then blending it out with a damp beauty blender. Taking that same foundation and outlining my brows with a flat brush. Then I'm just blending it out with my beauty blender. I'm taking my Nars Radiant Cream Concealer in Custard and just outlining the bottom of my eyebrows with the same flat brush. Then just blending it all out onto my lids. And I'm applying that same concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and a stubborn-ass pimple. As per usual, I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. By the way guys, I love this foundation. It's medium to full coverage, but you don't even know it's there. And it has SPF. How can you beat that? I'm gonna be setting all of that with my Laura Mercier's translucent powder wherever I put the concealer on, and using my Real Techniques setting brush. I'm going to be setting the rest of my face with Fenty Beauty's Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Setting Powder in Honey. This is one of the new products I'm trying out. Applying powder contour on top of liquid foundation directly tends to be a bit streaky. This just helps your contour look poppin' and clean, you know what I'm saying? Speaking of contouring, I'm going in with the Kat Von D's Shade and Light palette in Shadowplay. I'm applying it on the hollows of my cheeks, temples, forehead, and jawline using my Morphe's M523 brush. That setting powder really made a difference. Love it. By the way guys, all the products that I'm mentioning will be listed down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Okay, time for some bronzer and blush. I'm going to be taking Morphe's E4 brush and their 8W Warm Master Blush Palette. Applying Provocative on my cheeks and nose. I'm going to be mixing Provocative and Unapologetic on my temples and around my forehead. And just Unapologetic on my jawline. So pretty much applying it wherever I contoured, but a little bit more feathered out, if that makes any sense. I'm going to be taking the shade Sandalwood from Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remaster palette and applying it all over my crease with Morphe's M441 brush. It's just a fluffy brush. I'm taking the shade C4 from ABH's Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3. Just taking Morphe's M433 brush and just defining my crease and going in with a windshield wiper motion. Just cleaning out the brush on a napkin and going over my crease with no additional product, just blending it all out. Going back in with my M441 brush and just blending it out some more. Taking the shade Mocha from Morphe's Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, applying it with their E18 brush to further define my crease. Cleaning off the brush again and just going back to blend my crease with no additional product. And I'm going to be blending it with my M433 brush and then the M441 brush with no additional product. You just gotta keep blending, girl. That's what this is all about. Taking the shade A3 from the Norvina palette, applying that just below my brow bones with the M441 brush. Just applying some concealer on my lids with a flat brush. Not cutting my crease, I'm just cleaning it up. I'm opening my eyes to kind of guide me to where I should apply the concealer. Don't want to apply it too high up. I'm going to be setting that concealer using the M321 brush with the shade Soft Peach from ABH's World Traveler palette. Applying the shade Risque from Huda Beauty's Rose Gold Remastered palette, and I'm just packing it on the outer lids with the same brush. Cleaning off my brush, I'm going to be going in with the shade D2 from the Norvina palette, and I'm going to be packing it on my inner lids. I didn't get much color payoff, so I'm just going to be reapplying it with my ring finger. Really like the matte shades, shimmery not so much. And I'm kind of blending out both of the shades together here. You guys, the fallout is crazy with this shade. Looking back, I would definitely do my eyes first. In with the shade Mocha from Jaclyn Hill's eyeshadow palette again, using my M433 brush. Just going over my crease a little bit more. I feel like I lost some intensity. I'm spraying Max Fix Plus setting spray onto the M321 brush, and I'm just going to reapply that gold shimmery shade once again. I'm not a fan of the shade. So I couldn't find my liner brush, so I'm just going to be using a random brush for now. I'm applying the shade Mocha from Jaclyn Hill's eyeshadow palette and lining my lids. Touching up the crease with that same shade with the M433 brush, and I'm going to blend it out some more with the M441 brush with no additional product. I wanted the liner shade to be a bit darker, so I'm going to go ahead with the shade Cypress Umber from the ABH's Modern Renaissance palette, and just lining my eyes. Now I'm going with Morphe's E18 brush and applying the shade Doll Face from Huda Beauty's Rose Gold Remastered palette, and applying it on my lower lids and sweeping it to connect with my upper lids. Now I'm lining my lower lids with the shade Fudge from the World Traveler palette, and I'm applying it with Morphe's M432 brush. Blurring out my lower lids with the E18 brush, and I'm going in with the shade D1 from the Norvina palette. Lining my upper waterline, curling in lashes. Okay, so I'm going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara in the shade Black, and I always take the excess off from the wand, especially the tip of the wand, and this just reduces the clumps on the lashes. Making sure I'm looking down when I'm applying. Now I'm gently pulling down on my lower lids with a brush, and this is so I can apply some mascara on my corner lashes. And now I'm applying my favorite falsies, Lily Lashes in Miami. And while those dry, I'm going to finish off my face. I'm applying ABH's Dream Glow Kit in the shade Wish and Unicorn, using Morphe's M501 brush to apply it on my cheeks. Gonna be taking my Sad, Broken, Morphe Z36 brush on the bridge of my nose, corner of my eyes, Cupid's bow, and the brow bones. taking the M501 brush and just applying it on my temples and applying whatever is left on my chin. Jumping back to the eyes real quick, I'm just adding some of that mascara to blend my natural lashes with the falsies. Just trying to conceal that stupid pimple some more. And then I'm going to be setting that again with the translucent setting powder. And I'm finally trying the Nars Velvet Matte Lipstick Pencil in the shade Good Times. And I love the way it feels on my lips. It's not too drying, doesn't move around, it's perfect. Now I'm darkening my eyebrows using the shade Ash Brown from ABH's Brow Powder Duo. And I'm applying it with brush number 12. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked today's video, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn your notifications bell on. See you guys next week.